Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. This is Samsung Galaxy M20 smartphone. In this video, you learn how you can set face unlock in Samsung Galaxy M20 smartphone. First of all, go to the settings in your phone and select lock screen. Here select screen lock type. Input your pattern if you have set, and here select face. If you are wearing any glasses, select yes, otherwise select no. And keep your phone in front of you. Yes, face has been registered successfully. Now you can unlock your phone with your face. I'm going to check whether my registered face is working or not. I put screen lock. Yes, it's working very fine. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.